Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to handle single quote. Okay, single quote as part of your data in Snowflake. So while migrating from Snowflake, while migrating from Oracle to Snowflake. So this is the eighth video from Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse migration tips and tricks. So here, assume that I have created a hard coded value here. In real time, we may get the data like this, or you may have a similar kind of code. You need to migrate the piece, this type of code into Snowflake. So what is the, do you need to rewrite this code, or without rewriting, if you are going to compile this code, are you going to get any compilation error? If not, then what would be the output? So like that we will discuss in this video. Here simply I am going to create a table with the three different hard coded values. Please note that in real time we may get the data in form of files, or we may read the data from Oracle database by using the streams and load the data into Snowflake. That would be a different case, but here what is the let me create this table created. Now let me describe the table so that we can see the structure of this table. Q2i column and varchar2 of 1, because we have used the here single quote 1. So that's why table structure created with the varchar. Now what I'm going to do, see, this is the select star from test underscore null, where qty is quantity is null. This is the what I'm going to run this query. So here two records we have got, the with null two records are there, because this is the null and null, two records we got. This is the expected one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the null function in the q on column qt quantity. So now what I'm going to do, let me run this one. So here 001, this is the output what we have seen from Oracle. So same we will do in Snowflake. What is going to happen now? Here I already, let me set the context for my session. Yeah, so here this is the same syntax. Let me try without rewriting. Now let me try to create this table. Yeah, table test underscore null successfully created. Now what I'm going to do, now let me describe table. Here you have to use the describe table keyword. So yeah, here also varchar one, only one column with data type is the varchar. So far no difference. Now what I'm going to do, select star from test underscore null, where quantity qt is null. So here I am going to run this query. Now we'll see what would be the output. Here only one row. In Oracle we got the two rows. However, here we got the only one row, because of there is a difference between single quote. In Oracle it considered as a null, but here it is not considering. So this is the one difference. So while migrating the code from Oracle to Snowflake, you may need to replace wherever you see this type of code in Oracle, while migrating that code into the Snowflake, you have to replace with the null. That is the one option. Suppose if it is not possible, because you may get the, sometimes you may get the data as part of files and we are going to load that one, then that case we may not, somehow you loaded like this, then what would be the problem? We will see, is it really problem or not. Now we have a problem, correct? So now let me apply the nvl function on this. See, so here if you apply the nvl, numeric value is not recognized, because of this single quote. Okay, within the single quote we cannot convert these value into number. This is also one problem. So to avoid that problem, simply you can replace with the null, that is the 1. If you are not possible to replace that one with the null, then what you are going to do, you can use the decode function q quantity. If it is single quote, then put the 0 or null, whatever it may be, null or 0. Okay, quantity. And here I am just typecasting to number data type. So qt. Now let me execute this one. Probably we will see the whatever that output. See here 0, null, 1. Here see original value, there is some value is there which we cannot see. If it is really null, we are supposed to see like this, but this is not a null. Now what I'm still in Oracle, we got the 0, 0, 1, but here still we have seen this null. But even this also we can do by applying the NVL condition. Now you can apply the NVL because we already converted this into 0, so that you can convert null. So 0, 0, 1, this is the what exactly similar to Oracle output. So this is the one. Okay, how you are going to handle single quote when you have a single quote as part of instead of null value. So another way, I mean, if possible, you can just replace and let me show you this approach also. Instead of creating the table, you can directly replace that with a null and then create a replace table. Now you see there are few differences. Describe table test underscore null this time. Okay, same because qti where char. Why here we use the single quotes, that's why. Now what I'm going to do, let me execute the without any changes now. Sorry, yeah, here. Okay, now let me execute the, yeah, see here, run. See, null is there. So we have got the two rows similar to Oracle, but there we have seen the okay 0, 0. Now if you want to get the 0, now you directly convert, I mean apply the NVL function. So you'll get the 0. See here, why we have I mean extra 4 zeros, I mean 5 zeros, that is the default because we didn't do any typecasting. This is a data type is the varchar. That's why we see the difference. To avoid this one, what you can do, you do typecasting like by using the colon number. So then the output would be 0, 0, 1. Okay, yeah, this is all about how you are going to handle when we have a colon as part of your query or inside your data. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video, and share it and like it. Thank you once again.